He's got two toy guns that look somewhat real in his possession, so I need a car up here.
These two real-looking guns were found inside a Harding Middle School student's book bag Wednesday morning. The 8th grader told school officials they were not his and someone else put them in his bag.
There's no place for anything that even looks like a gun to come to school. Toys we have to take as seriously as real because we don't know the difference until we have it in our hands.
Lakewood police were called to the school and they handcuffed the 14-year-old and took him to the police station. Police are now investigating the incident and the case will be sent over to the Juvenile Justice Center to determine if any charges should be filed. School officials say they learned the student might have a weapon with him after the 8th grader reportedly showed another classmate what appeared to be a gun in the waistband of his pants. That student and her mother came back to the school to report the incident.
It turned out to be toys. We were very, very proud of our young lady who did come forward to share the information to, again, ensure that our school campus is as safe as possible.
The principal said the staff started a project in the fall to encourage students to tell teachers if they notice anything out of the ordinary.
They definitely had the message and they came forward.
Nobody was hurt in the incident. But an attorney with the Cleveland Patrolmen's Association says this incident is just another reason why they plan to file a lawsuit against toy gun manufacturers.
They look identical to a real gun, and that's what we're talking about. We want to eliminate, the manufacturers should be held responsible to inform the public of the risks that are involved, and these guns should be manufactured in such a way that you know that they are not a gun.
In Lakewood, Peggy Gallick, Fox 8 News.